bolt through here because the screw gun won't go forward. Here, you want to try? You want to try to take the bolt out? The screw gun? Here, I'll hold it for you. You can take the bolt out. No? You want to take the bolt out with the screw gun?
Yeah. Sit.
Okay.
I need to know.
Oh, you need to put that one in? I don't think it'll go through there. I'll have to go through this one. You gotta twist it. Yeah, there you go. There you go, just like that. Now look, we've got, I think we have pliers and a wrench. We have a screwdriver. Want to use the screwdriver?
Yep.
There you go. But if you twist it the other way, you can go in. You're twisting it out. There you go. Yeah, now you're twisting it in. Right. Well, you've got the hand of a mechanic, don't you?
Yeah. I checked for one.
Sure do. Did you inherit that from Uncle Mike?
Yeah.
And look.
Hey!
We have a wrench.
Hey, Alpha!
Uh-oh. I think the light